Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make a rotation swing effect in CapCut PC using body effect. So you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, and for example go to effect, select body effect, and you can find the rotation twist, sorry, the rotation swing is the new effect, new body effect in CapCut. And you can see for the pointer we select this. It's a cool effect. You have to use it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.